Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshwat, and today I am going to tell you how to install Data Gateway between Power BI service and your data sets. Now, let's go further and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. So in this video, we will overall cover how to install Data Gateway, and within that we will tell you how many gateway are available to us. And to briefly describe those gateway, we will tell you what is the difference between the different gateways. And in the end, we will explore the dimension and tell you what are the things that you will do to make your dataset credential for update. Now all this will be happening in our Internet Explorer, which is Microsoft Edge, and in a Power BI service which runs on internet. Now let's go in a Power BI service landing page and see how does all things work. Now we are in Power BI service landing page in Microsoft Edge browser. Now first of all, why do we need a gateway? If we go in my workspace section of a Power BI service in a datasets, you will see there is one option that is available to you, that is refresh now. So when you click on it, you will see refresh failed due to gateway configuration issue, because you haven't created any gateway. You just get data from your computer to Power BI service, but you haven't configured any configuration between your local computer and Power BI service. And to make interaction between them, we have to install the data gateway. How to do that? For doing that, you just have to go in the Power BI service in a download options. Now, if you have seen my previous video in a Power BI service interface, I have talked about this gateway option, but here it is being used now. So if I click on a data gateway, when you click on it, you will be taken into different landing page, which is connect to on-premises data source with Power BI gateway option. Now keep your dashboard and reports up to date by connecting to your on-premises data source without the need to move the data. So this is how you will do it. So there are two options, that is download standard mode and download personal mode. So I will tell you in detail how these two differ. So for now I will click on a personal mode. So it will be starting to download. So while it is downloading, I will tell you what are the difference between these two data source or these two gateways. In this, I will tell you what are the difference between the data gateways. For now, I have told you like Power BI desktop has been used to generate the dataset and report. After that, that has been saved to your computer and that is published or used a connect to file option will be targeted and will be imported in Power BI service. Now, I have told you there are two gateways that is available to you. One is personal gateway, that is create a connection between Power BI service and your computer only. It won't make any modification within that, but it will create a connection between your computer and Power BI service. So, but the thing is, it is a pro feature. So you can only use it when you have registered in a Power BI service. So this gateway will help you in creating a interaction between your datasets and a Power BI service. If you make any amendment or any change in your dataset, if you have a personal gateway which is being linked to your computer, will create an atmosphere in which if you make any changes, it will be updated in Power BI service. And another gateway I will talk you about, on-premises gateway, that is different from personal gateway, because personal gateway is mainly when you have things on your computer, but on premises gateway is when you use things on the server. Like if I have certain file on server, then I will only use on-premises gateway. If I have file on my computer, I will use personal gateway. So that's a huge difference between both of them. And I hope you have understood which premises or which gateway is used in different approximity of your data, but end result will be is your connection between your dataset and Power BI service. If you make any amendment within your computer or server, and if you have interacted it with your gateways, that is either personal or on premises, will create an interaction between the dataset and Power BI service. So if any changes happen in your dataset, will make changes in Power BI service. Now let's go back to the Microsoft Edge and install our gateway. Now you can see the file has been downloaded. I will click on open file. It will take a few seconds to run. Now you will see on-premises data gateway personal mode installation. So this is where it will be installed. You have to click on I accept the term use and privacy statement. After that click on install. So it will take a few seconds to install in your computer and the gateway will be created. Now you can see the data gateway has been installed. Now you will see the data gateway has been installed. It will ask your email address, like if you have registered in a Power BI service, that email address you have to file. So this thing you should always remember that you should register first and the same email ID will be used which you have for the Power BI service. So it will take a sign in to your account. So I have already registered within that. After that, I will click on it. So it will take a few seconds more. Now you will see the gateway is online and ready to be used. So if you want to make any changes in your gateway, you can do that from here. After that, I will put on close, and after that I will close this tab and again go back to Power BI service and will refresh a Power BI service. After being refreshed, I will again go in my workspace and will click on here after the data sets, and after that I will click on a refresh now. So you will see it's preparing for refresh, but there is one query that is being generated now. There was error with your data set. So I will click on it, that is something is wrong. So we will close it and will click on a schedule refresh for now, and you will see there's problem. Your dataset can't be refreshed because the credentials are invalid. So we have to update the credentials. Now you will remember in the point to be discussed section I have told you that after making a gateway connection, now you will see the gateway connection is all right. Now you will see it here. Now, after closing in here, you will see the data credential should be given to your data sets before you will refresh anything in Power BI service. For doing that, you just have to click on Edit Credentials and you will see there is authentication option. So we have authentication option, privacy level that you want according to your own desire. I want it private. After that, click on sign in. So it will take a few seconds to do that, and you have to repeat this with the all the data that is available in your local computer. Now you will see it has been updated. Now I will repeat it fastly with everything and will sign in, and again just a private. After that, sign in, and you will see it has been updated with my Power BI service. Now you will see the data source has been credited now. Now after this, again I will go in my workspace and in my data sets. If I again click on refresh, now it's preparing for refresh, and you will see the refreshed option will be changed to today's date, and that is how you know your data has been refreshed and been credentially validated between your data sets and Power BI service. It will take a few seconds and you will see the changes in here. Now you will see your data has been refreshed. So I will now tell you about the schedule refresh. So I will click on it and it will be taken into different page. Now you will see your data has just been refreshed now. Now I now I will do a schedule refresh. Like if you want to update your data on the weekly basis, daily basis, you just go in there, just click on keep your data up to date. I will do it weekly, like on which day you want. I will make it on Saturday. This Saturday I want. If you want to add time, you can also do that. I do not think of being adding any time. And another option that is available to you, send refresh failure notification to the dataset owner. That means in certain cases, if refresh fail in any case, the email will be sent to you by the Power BI service that the refresh has been failed and you have to look into it. You can enter your email. I do not want to do that. I will do certain timing like around 12, so it would be easy for me. After that, click on apply. You will see all the refresh has been valid now. Now I will again go on my workspace, again on my data set. Now you will see again I will click on refresh now. Now I have refreshed just my data and the next refresh will also come because I just validated my schedule refresh. So it will take a few seconds to refresh now. So this is how you will make a schedule refresh. So I hope I have covered everything about the data gateway, and this is how you just make a connection between your data set and Power BI service. So with this point, I'm going to end this video and I hope your queries got clear, and if not, kindly write us in comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video helps in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.